यार तो सैमसंग फाइनली एक बार फिर से आ चुका है अपने नोट सीरीज के नेक्स्ट और लेटेस्ट गैलेक्सी नोट के साथ विच इज़ नोट 20 अल्ट्रा 5G। तो आओ यार देखते हैं सैमसंग ने क्या कुछ नया और खास दिया है अपने नोट सीरीज के लेटेस्ट मॉडल नोट 20 अल्ट्रा में। वैसे तो यार सैमसंग ने इस नोट के अंदर नंबर्स को भर भर कर दिया हुआ है और हमेशा की तरह इस वाली नोट का डिज़ाइन और बिल्ड क्वालिटी एक्चुअली में काफ़ी इंप्रेसिव होने वाली है। सो फॉर नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बिल्ड एंड द स्क्रीन क्वालिटी। The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the sort of device that makes you sit back and wonder if phone really need to be this big. Guys, it has a 6.9 inch screen and you will be glad to know that the front of this device is pretty much all screen. So that's nearly the overall size of the handset too. By the way, the screen is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The screen has a 120Hz maximum refresh rate. That means the screen will refresh quicker than your older phone to give you a smoother picture whether you are watching a movie, playing games or simply scrolling your social media feeds. By the way, Samsung has added a feature in which the refresh rate is adjusted dynamically depending on what you are doing, so your phone will decide when to max out of 120Hz and when to dial the refresh rate back in order to save battery. Here we get a support of HDR10 in the screen. It actually improves the viewing angle and the color contrast. Now it's time to talk about its camera features and battery. The phone itself has a 3 lens at the back. First one is a RGB lens of 108 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. The second one is a telephoto lens of 12 megapixel with f3.0 aperture, and the third one is an ultra wide lens of 12 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Guys, trust me, such kind of lens setup will help you to take some amazing wide angles and portrait shots. On the front of the phone is a 10 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. With this you can also record a 4K video at the frame rates of 30 and 60 FPS. Definitely the Note 20 Ultra is power packed with 4500 mAh battery with a 25 watt fast charging, and it will keep your phone's power throughout the day in a single charge. But yeah, it is not so impressive and so fast if you compare it to the S20 Ultra and Note 10 Plus, which comes with a 45 watt fast charging. Yeah, so it's time to talk about its performance and software. Running the show on Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset or Exynos 990. In the US version, the phone comes with the Snapdragon, while the UK and other markets will get the Exynos processor. Basically, all the region will get a version of the Note 20 Ultra coupled with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. If you need less storage and want to save some cash, you will be able to buy a 128GB variant in the US and a 256GB storage model in the UK too. If you need additional storage, the Note 20 Ultra comes with a microSD card slot for up to an additional 1TB of storage. The regular Note 20 doesn't have this kind of slot. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a 5G all the way in the US and UK, so you won't be able to get a version of this phone that only has a 4G connectivity. That means you will be able to take advantage of the next gen connectivity and faster speed. Assume that you have coverage where you are and the requisite data plan. So for now, that was it for this video guys. If you like this video, so please hit that like button and suggest me for the next topic you want in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, so do subscribe to my channel for the fresh tech related content.